In this three-match series, now the toss was won by Pakistan. They elected to bat first. The idea was to put some pressure.
The off-spin Ahmedi Hassan Murat.
With a slip in place. A little bit of a now that's a leading edge. That's going to be out. Now that's away. Good connection. Oh, that's a good one too. That might be out. Yes, up goes that digit. Over the top. Vacant down there. Good shot, I think. Yes. That's away. Chopped away. There we go, looking to use that.
The pull shot in the air, chance in the deep end taken. Nicely timed through the offside. There it is. He's in the PSL. That is a beautiful pickup. That is dabs it away down to third. 50 for the captain. Third and fourth in 4 innings for Salman Ali Agha.
There he goes big once again. It's a huge six. Yeah, mid-off up in the ring. That's been lifted.
Very high note.
Full toss is hit straight. Making room and cuts it well. Should find. That's put up over cover for another magnificent 6. Oh, that's gone up in the air. That should be taken at long off. Oh, he's missed it. It's gone for 4 as well. Oh, chance. This time it's taken.
Oh, it's a dangerous Kustal shot. In the air that time, it's pumped down the ground and they got a boundary. That's cracked. Hasn't gone far enough. I think it might have. Ching Ching, another one. Is that another one? Yeah, KFC. That'll be the plan, I think. Can smack that for 6. With a thick edge. He's got that away. He's hit it sweetly, but it might be. And it's a very good ball. Just going for 1. Ayub also for naught, just first baller for him. Haris 31 off 18. Salman played really nicely for his 56 off 34. Nawaz